I see people in my comments every single day. Nikki, I'm broke. Nikki, I don't have money to start. I can't afford to invest in anything right now. I believe you because I was there. But what I'm not going to do is sit here and let you tell me you're broke when there are apps that I personally have been using for years, and many of which that I've shared on this channel that have earned me money and that I used to fund my very own media business that you are sitting here watching today. But you got to understand, it's not just about apps. It's about what you actually do with it to get you to the next level, because downloading apps with no strategy is just going to keep you in the same place 6 months from now. And we don't want that. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, because I'm going to share with you 4 legit apps that have earned me additional income so that I was able to start my business. And these are apps that allowed me to do simple things like playing games or answering surveys. So this is not going to be hard, but we're not going to stop there, because I'm also going to show you exactly what you can do to keep that money coming in and how to use this money to be able to fund your own business so that you are never broke again. But you know what you got to do? Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money making content. The way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you are on mobile, please make sure you hit that hype button. It's below this video. You might have to scroll over a little bit to see it, but that's a way to make sure that YouTube gets this video out to more people. And when YouTube does share my videos more, I'm able to bring you more free content. So help me help you hit that hype button, okay? Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into these apps that every broke person needs and how to use them so that you are never broke again. Let's go. All right, let's get into these apps. And so you know, I have personally used every single one of these apps, and they have provided me with gift cards and or cash. Okay, the first app is called Zogo, and I don't hear enough people talking about this one. One of my Nikki Connected crew members actually suggested this app years ago, and I've been using it ever since. Zogo will teach you about finance, and then they have little quizzes that you can do so that you can earn the points. Zogo teaches you budgeting, credit, investing, real information based on real life, and is partnered with local banks. So when you download it, a bank in your area is literally sponsoring your financial education. When I go through the lessons, I'm able to earn points, and those points, I cash them out for gift cards. So that includes Apple gift cards, Target gift cards, the major retailers. Now, if you're new to this app, it's actually easier to earn because you can cash out for as little as $5. As you level up, so do the rewards. I'm at the point now where I'm cashing out for $100 gift cards. But don't believe me, go over to the Zogo app, download it, see it for yourself. Actually get the education that they're giving you and earn from that, okay? I'm going to link Zogo down below. If you try it, let me know how you like it. Now let's move on to the second app, which is Swagbucks. Swagbucks, I've been with them for like close to 20 years now, and I'm still using it to this day. That should tell you everything. Swagbucks is a rewards program with multiple ways to earn gift cards. And my favorite way to cash out is through PayPal. So they will actually put the money into my PayPal account. I cash out and I can transfer it to my bank account. Or since I have a PayPal debit card, I can actually spend the money directly from there. Swagbucks gives me multiple ways to earn. And one way that a lot of people like is the surveys. I'm not a fan of surveys. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and tell you that I am, okay? But some of you do like surveys out there. So yeah, they do have surveys available. And once you answer the questions, then you can get points and cash out for your rewards, okay? Another way to earn on Swagbucks is by playing games. The highest reward that I've earned for a game on Swagbucks was over $200. Yes, they gave me over $200 in points, and I was able to cash out just for simply reaching a certain level in a game. And this is a little hack for the parents out there. I don't have time to be sitting around playing games anymore. So what I like to do is hand my phone to my little gamer in my house, and that is my daughter. So my daughter, she loves to play games, okay? She is a gamer. So I just hand her my phone and let her earn the points for me. So if you are a parent, you're welcome, because I just helped you earn hundreds of dollars in a simple, easy way, all right? And even if you don't have kids, let's be real. A lot of you are on your phones all day anyway, and many of you are playing games for free and even spending your money to play these games, but you're not getting any rewards. Get paid play the games, all right? Another way to earn on swag bucks is by scanning receipts. You buy something from the store, you can scan your grocery receipt, and they will give points that can be redeemed for the gift cards. And don't forget, they also have PayPal rewards too. But on that note, let's keep it real. This is not replacing your income. Remember, this is a piece of a bigger strategy. And once you understand this strategy, everything else is going to make so much more sense. But let's get into the third app, which is Fetch Rewards. I really love this app because they make earning points and cashing out for gift cards super easy for me. When I use Fetch Rewards, I scan all types of receipts, including restaurant receipts, grocery receipts, gas station receipts, and I earn points and I'm able to cash those points out for gift cards. They have all the major retailers. My favorites are Target, Walmart, Visa gift cards, and Domino's. Now on Fetch Rewards, like I already mentioned, you can scan receipts pretty much for anything and be able to earn these points and cash out for your reward. But Fetch Rewards stepped up their game. They got into the gaming zone, okay? So now you can actually play games on Fetch Rewards and be able to earn points as well. So now we have more ways of being able to earn these rewards. Reminder, I am here in the United States. So if you want to know if these options work outside the United States, you have to click the link or Google it or find some apps yourself, okay? Every one of these options is going to be based on your efforts, okay? So don't sit up here and say, this doesn't work. It does work if you put in the effort, all right? But let's move on to the fourth app, and this is Ibotta. And I need you to really pay attention here because Ibotta gives rebates. That is money back that you are already spending. And if Ibotta has it listed as a free offer, that means you'll get 100% of your money back. Let me break that down because you can literally get 100% of your money back and even make a profit. So let's say you go to your local CVS and they have shampoo that's normally $5. It's on sale this week for $3. You pay your $3, you scan your receipt into Ibotta, and they will give you $5 of a rebate because it's a free offer. They actually give you the rebate based off of the retail value. So you just made an additional $2 on something that you got for free. Now on Ibotta, they do have gift card rewards, but I'm not even interested in that because I always cash out for the moolah, okay? I have Ibotta linked to my PayPal account. So when I reach that $20 threshold, I can hit cash out and it instantly goes into my PayPal account. Now, this is something that has saved me so many times when I was broke, because think about it this way. If you're close to being able to cash out on Ibotta, say for example, if you have $15 in that account, in this example that I just gave, you can go get that shampoo, pay the $3, get the $5 reward, and now that just brought you up to $20, and you can literally scan that receipt right there in the store and you can cash out instantly, okay? Ibotta says to give them up to 2 days to give you your reward, but I'm telling you right now, typically I get mine in just a couple minutes. So there were times where I was on my last dime and I was like, you know what? I'm close to being able to cash out on Ibotta, so it's going to cost me less money to be able to just reach that $20 threshold. But here's where a lot of people mess up because they download the apps and then they get stuck in this cycle of playing games and doing surveys and wasting a whole bunch of time to earn very little money. And that does not feel good because let's be real, 6 months from now, you're still going to be broke and wondering why you're broke because now you wasted a whole bunch of time just earning little rewards and then not doing anything with that money other than spending it. So don't treat these apps like the goal. Treat them like the starting point. So I'm going to give you some tips of how you can actually grow this money. All right. So the first way is by not hoarding the information. Every single one of these apps that I named have a referral program. Okay. So you can literally refer your friends, family, cousins, aunties, uncles, brothers, everybody you know. Put it on your Facebook group. Put that link out there. And what happens is anybody that signs up under you, they typically get a bonus and you will get a bonus. And I will tell you, one of my favorite ones to refer people to out of all the options in this video is Swagbucks, because with Swagbucks, they allow you to earn 10% of what everybody under you earns for life. So people that I've referred to Swagbucks years ago, when they do surveys and play games, and sometimes they will play those hundreds of dollar reward games, I get 10% of that. So think about it. You're sitting there and you look in your Swagbucks account and you suddenly have like $50, you didn't do anything. That is money on autopilot just by not hoarding the information. So you helping people can help you as well. Now, the other option to grow that money that you earned from these apps, invest in a digital product, something that you can sell over and over. You don't need any inventory. You don't need to ship anything. And this is where I was able to go from making some side money to actually replacing my full police salary with digital products. You can create something in Canva, an ebook, a checklist, a guide, and sell it online. And if you don't know how to create one, I already did the work for you. I put together what I call the mega content bundle. It's a done for you digital product. It comes with master resale rights, meaning you can sell it as if you were the one that made it. You change the name, you change the cover. That takes maybe 10 minutes in Canva, and that is now your product. And here's what's inside. So you get over 8,500 videos. You can use them on social media, hooks, captions, ebooks, and it also teaches people how to sell. So you can use this product and sell it. I personally brought in over $16,000 in the first 6 months that I sold my mega content bundle. And I'm not saying that to flex. I'm saying that because I need you to stop thinking $5 gift cards are the ceiling. They are the floor, okay? You need to get yourself something that will leverage more money. And for me, a digital product did that. Now, another thing that you need to know, which really matters, and a lot of people overlook this, all of this money you're going to be earning, it needs a home. A real home, not your personal checking account mixed in with your rent money, your Netflix subscription. That's a mess. I recommend opening a business bank account. And before you even say, Nikki, I don't have an LLC, you do not need to have an LLC in order to open a business bank account, okay? As a sole proprietor, you can open a business bank account right now. I personally use Bluevine for my business bank account. And the reason why is because they have no monthly fees. They have no overdraft charges. And I know some of y'all are no stranger to overdrafts. I was actually able to open my Bluevine checking account in less than 10 minutes. And they actually gave me a virtual debit card that I could use until my physical debit card came in the mail. And so you guys know, if you do sign up for Bluevine, a lot of times they have bonuses. And I know as of right now, there is an opportunity to earn a $500 bonus when you open your business checking account. So if you're interested in that business checking account and that bonus, then I'm going to link Bluevine down below. So sign up, stop procrastinating, and make sure you protect your money. All right. Because you don't want to get in trouble with Uncle Sam, and I don't want you to. All right. But the thing is, you got to understand, we're not going to be chasing $2 rebates forever. We are going to build. This is your starting point. I want every member of the Nikki Connected crew to be able to grow and not be stuck in the same place and feel like I'm broke. Broke is a mindset, and some of us are too comfortable being in that space. I gave you several opportunities in this video that you can do starting today. No excuses in my comments, all right? But with that said, yes, download those apps, use those for leverage, and make sure you share this video with somebody who told you that they're broke or that you know is broke, okay? And they're trying to act like they not because they up here fronting on Instagram like they got money and they don't, okay? So the thing is, again, stop hoarding the information. Share the links to the apps when you sign up, okay? But I want to hear from you. Have you been using apps like these? Are any of these apps new to you? Are you going to follow the strategies that I dropped in this video? Let's discuss it in the comments. And please, if this video helped you at all, please let me and the YouTube algorithm know that you like money making content. The way that you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you're on mobile, please just hit the hype button. Remember, it's underneath this video, and it will boost this video out to more people that need it, because we are trying to heal the world. Did you see that movie? Anyway, with that said, I'm going to peace out in this video. And if you're looking for more ways to be able to earn, I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it